I'm going to be showing you how to fix Siri not listening. So if Siri is not listening to you, just go ahead and try disconnecting headphones or earbuds, ensuring Hey Siri is turned on, which will restrain Siri with your voice, checking for blocked microphones, and making sure Siri is configured to listen even when your phone is face down. So just open your control center by swiping down and make sure you're not connected to any Bluetooth devices. Or if you are, then just disconnect them. And now you can go to settings and find Siri and tap on talk to Siri and make sure that Hey Siri is turned on. After you've done that, you can check for microphone blockage. You need to ensure that your microphone on your iPhone is not blocked by any debris or a case. Sometimes a phone case or debris can also block a microphone. So make sure that's not the case. So in this way, you can successfully fix Siri not listening to you. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.